Positronium is the name given to an atom-like combination formed between, what is it, positronium? Have you done in your classes? Positronium, it is a name given to a system which contains an electron and a positron. Right? Now, this positronium so students, this positronium, this is a very simple thing, I'll tell you. Sorry, I have written positronium, it should be positronium. Now this positronium is a combination of what? Of an electron and a positron. That is a particle and an antiparticle. So students, will it be stable or unstable? It is unstable. A particle and an so it is what? It is unstable, right? So this is unstable. It has got the half-life of, half-life means, what do you mean by half-life? That is, it is the time in which the concentration reduces to half. Its half-life is 142 nanoseconds. That is, in 142 nanoseconds, the amount of positronium will reduce to its half. Whatever amount you are taking, say if you are taking 10 mg, it will reduce to its 5 mg in 142 nanoseconds, which is a little cleave up. Now these, they produce gamma rays. That is, a positronium is disintegrating and producing what? It is producing a positron and an electron, and along with it, it is producing gamma rays or gamma photon, right? And the concentration is reducing to its half in how many seconds? In 142 nanoseconds. I'll give you a few more points about positronium. Now positronium, students, it exists just like hydrogen. I don't know whether you have done hydrogen or not. I'll take up a whiteboard over here. See, positronium. It consists of what? It consists of an electron and a positron. Now this is just like hydrogen, depending on the spins, right? So the ground state of positronium is like hydrogen atom. Do you know, in hydrogen there is one proton and one electron. So depending on the spins, there are two types of hydrogens, that is ortho and para, right? Now in this case also there are the ortho and para. See, there is the singlet state of positron, in which the spins of electron and positron are anti-parallel, or it is the Right, it is anti-parallel. Right, that is, it is anti-parallel. And this is called as what? This is called as para-positron. That is, it is represented as P and P, PS and P, right? And there is a triplet state. Here what is happening, students? The spins of electron and positron are parallel, right? And this is called as orthopositron. Orthopositronium, orthoparapositronium, right? Now, in this case, the frequencies associated with the spectral lines is less than half of those of the corresponding lines with the hydrogen. That is, hydrogen also gives spectral lines, right? But the frequencies of the spectral lines, hydrogen gives spectral lines. We did this in in our structure of atom session. And your positronium, it is emitting energy, so it is definitely giving spectral lines. They also give out spectral lines, and their frequency is half of those given by whom? Given by hydrogen. So students, this is a positronium. This is a particle actually I wanted to discuss with you. Now let's move to our question. Yeah, so a positronium is what? It is a positron and an electron, a particle and an antiparticle.